right, hello everybody. Welcome back to another session of Layout in Unreal Engine. Today we will be building different layouts for this kind of buildings. I want to make an L-shaped building, H shape, and I shape. Then the idea is to copy those and make them two floors. Okay. I'm gonna start using the kit bash pieces that I was provided. So I can start building some stuff. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go to this folder, see what I have here. Okay, I'm gonna make some space around there. Awesome, so I can build more stuff. Okay, first of all, I want the floor to give me a base. Let's see how this snaps together. Wanna snap it like every, not totally sure, is it like 5? Or 10? Not quite sure if that's a perfect snap. Looks like it. Looks pretty nice. I think it's 10. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna build the shape with this. Okay, let's get this thing like okay, maybe a couple more. Like here, nice. That's probably too long. Maybe we can make it okay, maybe a little wider. Okay, nice. Kind of like this thing. So the first thing is to okay. Want to copy the location from this. Paste it here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Maybe the center is there. Damn it, nothing snaps. Okay. Okay, nice. Then I would like some other walls like this. Okay, for things to snap, you kind of need to like copy the location of the piece you want to snap it to, and then you need to move it from there every 10 units or whatever amount of units your kit bash pieces are supposed to snap to. It's a little, yeah, I'm trying to get used to this thing. Learn more about modular assets, which is super cool. Okay, now they're snapping. Now that's good. And the cool thing about these pieces is that I can actually come back to them and say like, well, I don't want this to be just walls. I would like to maybe have windows in these pieces. So I pick up some windows and I just go replace. Now I have windows. Beautiful. Sweet. Do we have the same distance on both sides? I guess I almost do. Okay. Also, it's nice to be organized and keep these in different folders before you go too complex. So let me see. Okay, let me see if I can actually get rid of those. Oh, is it Control Shift A Alt? Is it Control Shift? No, that just moves it. Control Alt to unselect. Oh my god, I always get that command wrong. That's a very useful command, and I get it wrong all the time. I want to deselect. These pieces, so I can align the floor a little bit better. Let's see how that goes. Oh, this is a triplanar texture, so yeah, it's not gonna give me any sense of alignment. There you go. Now I have like this 512 square right there. Maybe I can take the snapping off and just push it until it reaches that kind of line right there. And also I would like to get the line on the other side. This line is a little bit too thick, so it's a little, yeah, it does not allow me to be 100% accurate, but I cannot get it on both sides. I think that's good enough. And then I would like to get these pieces aligned with this thing. Somewhere there. Okay, that looks nicer. Good. Now we can add the snapping on every 10 units. Nice. Okay, we got the base. Yeah, not really trying to do any kind of details, just trying to get the main layout. And we have moving stuff again. All right. This is starting to bother me a little bit. I was not getting this error before. I think I have things moving on playtime. That's super bad. Like, okay, no, this is okay. That happened on the other. Okay, it's just one. I had it happen on the other house. I had some stuff moving just in playtime. I was like, what? Why is it like changing position? Okay, now it's aligned. Good. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little folder. Perfect.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hey Ryu, I had a super nice night of sleep. Now I'm going to create some stuff. Now I'm able to snap things together and make it super nice. I was looking at the these things, they look super sweet, and I really like these flames. They change a lot. I have this flame flip book.
I just woke up myself.
Nice. Yeah, I have this flame flip book, super cool flip book, and I wanted to show you how this. Oh, I don't want to snap this on.
They turn off and on during day/night.
Oh wow, nice. I see the programmers asking about deadlines. I like that. I like teams who ask about deadlines. I was going to tell you I had this flame flip book, super cool. I wanted to show you how the flame moves. It moves like very kind of like almost like dancing. I really like that effect.
Well, I asked him if we can make the June timeline. Cause I don't want to pay 3K for a booth at PAX West and then us not be able to showcase anything. He seemed to be okay with that. Yeah, show me the plain flip book.
I had it on the, I have it on the other on the other project. It's pretty cool stuff. Okay, this H building, it's a little bit. Actually,
No rush, you can show me later.
yeah, I need to show you that and the buildings I made with AI. I think that's gonna be super nice. Okay, let's see.
I would make the middle part longer.
Longer than the vertical?
No, than what you had before. By the time you read it, you already made it bigger LOL.
Yeah, what is kind of hard for me to see, it's where's the center of this thing. Kind of need, I need something that tells me the center position of this. Okay. Okay, now that I have the center.
One more. Also, you can use math to find it.
You can use math to find it. Yeah.
They are 300 x 300, so the center would be 150 offset from where you want them.
Yeah, the thing is that I'm moving like a group which has the pivot in the center. So it kind of like makes things a little different. Okay, perfect. Now I can see the center. Good. That's another way.
Yeah, I suppose.
I can definitely use that math when I use individual pieces, right? But like when I make one group, for example, this
I
one.
could make a texture that helps. Maybe I do that now. Hello, hello.
Hey, Head, how are you? Good morning. It's let's see. Now I'm working on kit bash buildings. Let's see. Okay, I want to cut this out where the piece ends. That's a good way to separate this thing. So I'm going to go to group unlock, and then I'm gonna get rid of these pieces right here. And I think I'm gonna get rid of those two, and then I'm gonna go group, lock, and then now I can add those there. Okay, perfect, nice. So we got that there, and I'm gonna do the same here. And I can move this. Perfect, nice. Okay, we got this H shape, and then I can come here, group on lock, and I can get rid of those. I see, they don't align. Okay. So let's see, let's go group lock, and maybe I can push them. I think they do align. Yeah, nice. Oh, this one. Ah, okay, I see. This is the one that is not aligning. Nice. So groups. Just push. Lock. And I need to move this here so it aligns. There you go. It was.
Hello, bro.
Hello, Danesh. How are you? Yeah, it's snapping nice. So we have this thing right there. This plane is just to see where the middle is. Nice. So we have an I building, H building. We can make it shorter here. We can make it one piece shorter. Well, that's very nice. And then I'm gonna make the L shape building. So to make the L shape, I'm going to again grab the I, go Control G, just make sure that we have just this selected. Control G, and then Control C, push it here. Nice to hear. And let's push this here. Let me get this here. Oh, nice. We can even have an kind of like health sign kind of building. Okay, let's make it an L.
What are you doing?
I'm creating buildings for Imperium. So we want to make very cool buildings for this game. We're gonna have some villas and we're gonna have some other stuff going on. So we want to have very cool buildings with interiors and stuff like that. I love those staircases, so nice. Oh, the marketplace, yay. Okay, let's create some buildings. Okay, let's see. yeah, I really, you know what I want to implement in my streams? Maybe next week, I would love to um, have some footage so I can play on stream. You know, whenever I'm like loading something or doing something very very boring, I can just play some clips of my own work of the same project, showcasing some parts of it. That would be super nice. So people don't get like, oh dude, this is, you know, like people are like just looking at some like loading screen or whatever, and or whenever the project gets stuck or something like that. I can showcase um, the project, like especially, you know, sometimes people,
Highlight reel.
yeah, like have like a lot of reels, so it's like, oh, can you show me that area? Boom, I play it, you know, and it's super nice. That would be super super fun.
Yeah, like intermission.
Yeah, yeah, I like that idea a lot. I think it's gonna be very cool. Let's try to get the same square as well as here. So to do that, I need to see how many pieces. We have 3 pieces. So I'm going to maybe come here and be like groups on lock, and I'm going to take 3 off, I guess. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I need to take let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's cut this one out, and I should be able to snap this there. Actually, I don't need this one. Took, and I can just go like whoop. Okay, it's already a group, so right click, group lock, and then I can just push this on 10 every 10 units, and it should just snap. Oh no, it's not snapping. Is it snapping? No.
New texture for modeling, inbound.
Nice.
Is this the same map you were working on last time I seen?
I have to. There's this open world Dragon Island that I've been working on lately. That's a personal experiment project. It started up like a client environment, but then the project got put on hold. So I decided to modify it with Project Titan assets and make it my own. I still have the client version of it and stuff, but I really want to like modify it and make something like crazy out of it. Okay, let's unlock this and cut here and cut here and cut here. Nice. Okay, what is going on here? Oh, okay, I see. It's not aligned. It's not aligned by any means. So let's try to find that alignment by pushing it 10. Okay, and this is offset by 1. Let's maybe try it. Is it, I think, 1? Oh my god, yeah, we got something going on here. It doesn't really matter. The thing is that okay, this one goes inside 1 unit. So we have it. Maybe I can Okay, no, from here I think I want to push it every 10 units. And then I see this little gap. Yeah, those little things, well, it's kind of hard for this to snap properly. And it's not like the pieces are not made properly, it's just that it just requires also a lot of understanding from my side to make them snap. Okay, here we have that little gap. Which we can solve. I can really, try to find out. Let's see, lock. Move every 10 units. And then we have this here. It's okay. It's okay. We can also just add this thing. And to make that snap, I realized that you can.
I should really sit down with you and show you how they go together.
Yeah.
That is why you are getting the issue. Tongue sticking out. I never explained how they work.
Yeah, that's one thing that could help, but also at the same time it's I should be able to figure it out, and I should be able to snap things in different ways. So I copied this location and pasted, and now it snaps every 10 units. So we have these two little things here that are separated, but they kind of close that thing together. Nice. So we got that going. Okay. I think this H is too long. We can make it 1 unit shorter, right? Maybe one wall.
But the thing is, there is supposed to be overlap, and you are not doing overlap. So you are getting lots of offsets.
Oh, they're supposed to go 10 units inside each other? Yeah, I think I saw you talking about that on the stream. They're supposed to, on all the corners, they're supposed to go 10 units inside. Oh, that's the thing, maybe.
Yes.
Oh. But are you sure that's how?
If you look at the building I made,
Uh,
it shows you exactly how they should look.
do you like? Are you sure? Like that's how kit bash are supposed to work? Like usually all the kit bash I've worked with, they just snap together, but they don't go inside each other. Yeah, usually that's how I've worked with it.
Yes.
Can I go Control H? I had buildings here. I had your buildings here. Maybe I deleted them.
They didn't design it like I did. Tongue sticking out.
Huh. Yeah, I think I got your buildings deleted. I need to pull them back.
You moved them.
I moved them inside the. Oh yeah, nice. Totally forgot about this. Okay, we got the buildings here. So it goes 10 units inside this one. All right. Yeah, I see. 10 units inside this. Okay, there's another piece there.
You can go to my level if you want. Ryu open world test, level.
Yeah, I think it's faster just to look at them here. I got just the copy pasted version. Here they don't go together, but you have this one making them go together. Then we have these two that actually, yeah, they go 10 units inside. And then we have these other ones that they have, they go 10 units inside. Okay.
Correct.
But they don't go inside each other all the time. Like, for example, here we have this one that is...
would be an edge case.
Yeah, this really, well, it really, it like, it doesn't really matter. Like, what really matters is the shape of the building. As long as we get it working, like for example here, we still closing the thing and it still looks nice. I guess if I go inside the other building 10 units, I will just need one of those instead of two. So yeah, that's good to know. That's
Correct.
good to know.
When you send me the stuff, I will make it work slightly smiling face and make proper kit bash parts for it.
Unlock. Yeah, right now it's let's focus on the buildings, make them look nice, and then we can like really think about how to snap them. Yeah, also we don't need to be so rigid. Like I've seen some very very good environment artists doing some crazy stuff with modular pieces. I mean, as long as it looks nice, that's the thing. I'm thinking, how short should we make this? Let's go group lock. Group lock, yeah, and then I would like to make it shorter. I mean, it's not that bad actually. Yeah, I think it's not that bad. Kind of like it. Looks like very, like a big building. That's kind of cool. It looks like some kind of like branding or something. IHL Corporate. Nice. Yeah, it feels nice for the walking speed and everything. Like, it doesn't feel too small, doesn't feel too big. Oh, we got some. I really like this outfit, so nice. Okay, so what's next? Let me just finish these little gaps I got there. I'm going to get this thing, and I'm going to go Control C, Control V. Okay, and then I would like to get this little thing, copy the location, paste the location. Nice. Oh no, oh no. It's a little bit off. I'm gonna fix that. Okay, this one is nice. This one is a little bit off, so right click group lock, and then I would like to push this, I think 1 unit to the right. 1 unit out. I'm still getting that little thing. One unit. There you go. That's almost perfect. Oh, not quite, but it's okay. Got it close. So again, group lock. We have one group here, another one. I like this working in groups. Hey Bricks, how are you? Good morning. Let's lock this one. Oh, this is not a group yet. I thought this was a group. Okay, let's make it a group. So I'm gonna hide those two. Oh, I see. Let's hide this one. And hide this one. Okay, I need to add those two little pieces to this group. So 1, 2, 3, right click, group, regroup. Nice, and then I would like...
my project on the SSD and the textures still are blurry. I guess it's time to learn how to make my own.
Okay, textures blurry, but are they blurry on assets you downloaded or things you textured? Because that's a good question. Maybe like we are having like projection issues. Let's see if is it this like that. Control H, no G. So nice. Now we have everything grouped. Nice. Then I can go Control H. Cool. Nice. Cool. Usually for like a very quick UV map, what I do is I go to modeling tools.
I didn't have enough texture pool, yet it has a lot.
I mean, if you don't get the message, the red message saying you don't have enough video memory, texture streaming pool, you will definitely have blurry textures. But it could be also a UV mapping issue. Like for most assets, you should be able to get better textures if you go to project UVs under the modeling mode, and in projection type you go to box, and then you go to proportional dimensions, and then here you can adjust this to 10, make it proportional, or 1, make it proportional again, and you see like it keeps the squares equal on each side. So maybe this could help, but try it out. If you have like a downloaded asset like a Megascan or whatever that comes with textures, and you still
let me try that.
seeing them blurry, then it's a probably a texture streaming pool issue. But if not, it's a UV issue. So now you have it recorded on the stream. You can go back and look at it. It's on minute 46. Okay, so yeah, definitely that could help. Sometimes it doesn't look so nice for every asset, because some textures are just designed for a specific UV map, so that's not gonna work. But if you are using triplanar textures or tileable textures,
LOL.
yeah, I need to make a little. I will.
Okay, thanks. I'm loading Unreal right now.
Nice. I definitely need to make a modeling tool, Unreal modeling tool tutorial. I think it's gonna be helpful for a lot of people. So what's next, Ryu? What do you think I should do next? Get the roof of these buildings? Or um
Those are good. Now let's make the insides.
are these going to be villa houses?
Or you can make two-story versions next.
Um yeah, making two-story buildings will be nice. Are these going to be like villa?
Yeah.
Like so you want like again like
They should be the same format as the one you made before.
so
They are super wealthy people.
so we want to have
We could make a few of them for the super homeless type. I guess. But I would assume they are super nice versions.
okay I have this room that has just this entrance here. I kind of want to like make an entrance somewhere. It really changes the thing. Um, also, I was thinking there's this add-on, this program called Ninja Reaper that allows you to basically um, like extract 3D files from video games. So we can definitely use that to get some models out of the video games that you were showing as reference. It's not like it's gonna give you like a perfect 3D model out of it. It's super broken and like missing faces and whatever, but it gives you the main kind of like proportion of things, and from there we can build similar stuff and modify
Yes,
it.
you're right. The textures are fixed. Pancakes.
Nice bricks. Yeah, definitely. As long as you are using tileable textures, it could work. It just takes a little bit of work with the proportional dimensions. And remember, every time you change the number, you need to click on the checkbox dimensional proportions. Click it on and off, because Unreal has that little bug that it every time you change it, it doesn't interpret it as the proportional, so you get stretching. It's a little confusing, but that's the thing. So, oh my god, like making interiors, it's super hard. Oh, Mm, um, yeah, it's super hard stuff to make interiors. Okay, what happens if I don't move this like that? I'm gonna always get the 10. Well, um, doesn't matter, but
So,
I
just make a few more shapes. LOL. Or go work on the layout for the bandit town.
the bandit town. Where is that located? Is it this one?
Head toward the dungeon. Yes, there.
Okay, this one? Are we using different houses for this? Should we? That's so nice. I wanna play this dungeon.
This will be the normal slum buildings, but that are burned or broken down.
Okay. It would be nice to create some stuff. Cause I mean, we got a pretty decent layout here, but yeah.
I need to finish the functionality for that dungeon base with some maybe when I get to the new house.
Oh crap! Oh crap! Okay, we got a lot of stuff. The bandit town. I can imagine like they maybe having some stuff like this. Yeah, I think it's time to create some buildings for the bandit town. Right? Maybe. Yeah, I think it would be nice to visualize a little bit better the. Oh, okay, I see. Oh. This was not part of the group. Uh-huh. Oops. Okay. Good that I saw this thing. Okay, no, we are not, I'm not moving on the right thing. Need to add 10. Holy, okay. There you go. Okay, so okay, one. Let me lock. So 1, 2, 3. Regroup. Nice. Now it's part of that thing. Cool. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it would be nice to create some stuff. Because it really doesn't like make any sense to just put blocks in there or use the kit bash assets. Like we're gonna end up with the same thing, like a bunch of boxes here. I think it's time to actually add something more descriptive of actually what the buildings are going to look like.
Do you know any good software to create textures? I can use Photoshop, but is there a better option?
Yeah, definitely. Substance Designer. I mean, Painter. Substance Painter.
Also, do a poll. You can get the new textures LOL. At Rick Freeby's Gaming Define better. If you want to make hand-painted textures, Substance Painter or 3D Code.
Yeah, those are very, very good. Also for like realistic stuff, you can use that as well. 3D Code is more like stylized, hand painted.
Okay, I will check them out. Thanks.
Yeah, for Substance Design Painter, you can get like I think it's like a 20-day free trial, like 30-day free trial. So that's very nice. So you can check it out. Is there another program you can use? You can also do stuff in Blender, but it's a little bit more tricky. Definitely a little bit more tricky. Okay, it's time to check the art blast. How do you call it? The art dump. But yeah, Ryu, I don't know if you heard me, but like we can try to get some of those models like out of the game, and then we can like.
I heard about the seal mixer. Is it good?
It is pretty, basic. You can mix different Megascan textures in there. You can also do that in Engine using vertex painting. It's kind of nice, but it's discontinued. Like they're not.
Issue with ripping models is legality.
Yeah, but we are not gonna use those models by any chance.
Talk about it off screen.
Yeah, it's just to get them the shapes and modify them. All right. I want to see the. Let's see if I can find the. I want to see if I can find the thing. The buildings that you were talking about for the village thing, the bandit village. Maybe, well, I don't know. It'll be super nice to have like different Discord how do you call it, channels for different kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay, I got disconnected.
Check your Discord.
Okay, let's see. Oh, nice. That's beautiful. Hey, that's very cool. I really like those. That's super sweet. Do you want me to model these things? Like like as quick as possible, just the blockout shapes? Those are very, very cool. And they have an angle and stuff. Wow. Hey, this could be very fun to make actually. Yeah, I really like those.
Yeah.
I will try to be smart and use. Hey, this is actually very nice because with the kitbash things that you made, actually we can actually get some proportions right. And I think for architecture, I mean, I'm realizing that the things that really give the scale to a building are the stairs. Stairs. Because doors can be huge, can be small. Windows can be huge and small, but stairs, they always need to fit your feet. So let's start from the stairs. Oh, those are super cool stuff. Okay. Now we're getting three families of things. This wooden thing might, yeah.
Agreed.
The wooden thing is probably out of the thing. It looks more like the market kind of thing. These are very broken. Very broken. I kind of like those, but they have a lot of detail. They're very packed in detail. I kind of like this kind of desert, kind of like Tatooine kind of style things, and then we can run some broken stuff on them.
The broken parts are going to be what they look like.
So yeah,
The top one is the stud.
I like the first ones because it's easier
The
to.
second set is the ruined look.
I like that. Yeah, the first ones are very easy to like digest and visualize the shapes.
And the third is probably just a good example of an outpost or bandit camp.
Okay. Yeah, the third one is totally it's totally out of out of out of the thing. Okay. Getting. Okay, let's see. Okay, first of all, I want to have some stairs. So let's get some stairs for scale. As I think that's the best way to start with this. Okay, we're gonna get the material reset. Okay, and then I would like to. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is pretty fun. Like, so we have this kind of thing here. Okay, I don't want it to get in there. I would like it to snap there, and it has a little space, something like that. Okay, cool. Then I would like one of those little pieces.
How much performance collisions do on a single player game? Since I could simplify a lot of them, Is the performance boost that big?
Um, not really sure.
Depends on what you are using them for. Physics. Then they are super expensive.
Yeah, it really depends on how much things are going to collide with them, I guess. Paste.
It's just as a collision to not go through objects.
For the player walking?
No physics.
Um,
Yet for the player, that's
eh,
physics.
yeah, well, I
But I
remember
get what you mean.
one advice that I got from the last studio I worked in is that, well, if you have like little rocks or little plants or little things in the ground that you don't want your character to get stuck by, just get rid of those collisions and make like one big collision for the floor. It doesn't matter if the feet of the character like goes through little rocks or little plants and stuff, because it's gonna be annoying for the character, for the player, just to get stuck in little cracks in the floor, right? So that will definitely help to make the thing more smooth, the player experience more smooth. And also, I guess it will help with performance. But there's only one way to find out. You gotta test it and see if it really helps or not. But yeah, definitely, especially when you have like a bunch of like little pieces of wood or stuff like this, for example, yeah, stuff like this, you want just a flat collision for that. Or stuff like this, right? Like you just want one big collision. You don't want the player to get stuck in like little things like this, because it's gonna be very, very annoying.
I sent a picture of what it looks like. Is it too much?
Wait, bricks. You send a picture on the disk. Okay, I see. That looks nice. That's a very simplified collisions. I don't see much geometry. I think it's pretty good. Also, for example, you have collisions on those ducts, the yellow kind of ducts on top of the thing. If you are not planning to walk on that, it's no need. I see some collisions on the yellow kind of thing on the right part of the image, that those collisions are a little bit bigger than the object. That's probably not so nice because the character will get stuck in there. It's like an invisible wall. I will get it closer to the yellow thing and get the yellow lights off the collision. Maybe you can separate that object and create just a little tiny box. Yeah, looks pretty nice, pretty simplified. Okay, here we have like a big kind of roof that goes
I will
something.
walk near there. Okay, I will change those so the player doesn't get stuck.
Yeah, those are the ones that I see problematic, because you will get stuck in an invisible wall and the player will be like, hey, what's going on? I thought I was able to walk through here. Okay. Nice. So we have this little thing. Okay, now this is very interesting because I want to have walls but the walls are going to have an angle. And they need to be a little thicker. Maybe they could be thicker. Let's see, maybe 2. Okay, let's see how this is going to work. I'm gonna copy the location, paste the location. Okay, and this thing needs to be as high as this. So gonna use this as reference, and I'm gonna put it right there. Nice. Hey, things are snapping. Oh yeah. Okay, this one is going to go as long as this thing. So I'm gonna keep it here as reference, and this is going to go like. Okay, nice. Well, things are kind of working better. Okay, and this one is gonna be somewhere there. Nice, 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 nice. The thing is that, is the player actually going to be able to fit in here? Like, thinking about the interiors. Okay, let's first of all get maybe the shape. Maybe the thick walls, maybe it's not a great idea. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to the original wall.
Probably not. So you have to expand it a bit. Tongue sticking out.
Yeah, that's gonna make things more difficult with interiors because we're gonna have less space inside. It's kind of fun that I'm thinking about the interiors. I mean, not all buildings should have interiors, but I think it's gonna really add a lot of more value to the thing. Okay, I see, I missed this. Okay, nice. Cool. Okay. Now the difficult part is like, what's the angle we're gonna twist this? 5? Is it 5? Nice. 10 is too much. I don't think it's 10. It might be 10. Let's see. 1, 2. I think it's 5. Or something in between. This is 0.
I like 10.
Yeah, 10 it's a little bit more. It's gonna be more noticeable. So let's go 10. Okay, 5, 10. Okay, 5, 10. There's only one way to find out how this is gonna look. I think 10 might be too much. It's gonna make it too vertical. I see that we have a like a smaller angle on the first floor and a bigger angle on the second. Okay, let me try something out super quick. I'm just gonna save things here. What happens if I go to modeling and I go to let's see if it works. That's super cool. But I want the opposite of this. Is there a way to, from the input, delete inputs, hide inputs, keep inputs? A union? No. Come on, I want the opposite thing. Is there a way to flip this? Oh, yeah, that'll be super nice to just get rid of that part that I'm not able to see. Well,
I just jump scared myself by whole lasting music.
Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, it happens to me because for the speaker bot, I have a very weird audio setup. I really need to figure out how to make it better. Okay, let's go one by one, so I'm gonna get confused. So to hear the music and the speaker bot and everything together, I really put the speaker too loud, but I kind of manually in the computer push it down. So when I finish streaming and I go back and I see a video or whatever, it goes super loud. I'm like, oh Jesus. Yeah. Okay, next week I'm gonna get into vacation time, so I will really get.
It personally happens to me because my older brother plays a game where listening for audio cues is important, so he just turns his audio all the way up.
Yeah, that's funny. The audio cues. Okay, I want to make this test right there. Why is this? Okay, this is a boolean. Okay. Okay, before we do the boolean, I need to.
This music ain't nothing though. It goes well.
Yeah, I need to definitely change it up. Okay, so we want to cut this one with this piece right here, and then I'm gonna go. First of all, I think I'm gonna just make a duplicate of everything just to see how this shape looks, because I'm not sure 10 degrees are going to look nice. So let's get this one, cut it with this one, boom. Okay, we getting rid of that thing, nice. Then I want to get rid of this thing. Okay, but first I would like to cut the whole thing. So 1, 2, boolean. What the hell is going on here? Okay, we have this thing, then this one. I see what's going on. Okay, this thing. Okay, we need to do it a different way. Okay, push it out, nice. And then what happens if I go this one and boolean? Okay, still not able to cut it through. I'm missing a little piece. So model, wait, is it mesh? No, I want this one, poly edit, get me this little piece right there. So tuk, nice. Now we have this beautiful shape. Nice, okay. So now we have this beautiful shape. Is there a way to, so I can just do it on the other side? It might be good for the second floor, but not for the first one. Yeah, I think 5 degrees on the first floor was right. That might be nicer for the second floor. So again, what if I come here and put this there, tune, and then move it 10 degrees, okay, somewhere here. Nice. We can actually push it there. Just making a copy just in case. And I want to cut this one with this one. Okay, sweet. Also, I would like to, then I have this other one waiting for this other piece. Is it actually cutting through? Nice. So 1, 2, boolean. I'm getting a little bit of thing, a little thing right there. Is it, am I able to just cut it? Nice. Okay, I'm getting this angle that I'm not getting on the other one. Why is that? Why is that thing? Very strange. Okay. Okay, that's, I was not expecting that. Okay, here we have that one to cut. So we need to make another cut, which is gonna be here. Move in world position, yes. And then right click, transform on, is it X? Perfect. And then find out where it snaps. Okay, cool. Jesus, it's not. Okay, so, okay, let's see, 1, 2, boolean. Okay, and then I would like to do the same here. Let's see if this one snaps. Okay, I think it does. So 1, 2, boolean. We got it there, and then here, let's see. Okay, I need to cut again this one with this one and cut. Okay, we are getting that nice kind of shape. Okay, and then one last one. Let's snap it, and then I need to cut this with this right there. Cool, we have this kind of thing going on. Okay, we are getting this weird little thing here and this weird little thing there. One way to fix this could be, it's okay, not gonna go too crazy about this. Anyways, this is gonna get remodeled. Okay, so we have this shape, which I think the angle is too much. It's too much. Good for the second floor, and still I'm not very happy with this angle. So I'm gonna go 5 back for the first floor, 5 back, 5. Yep, just 5. This is it 10? Yeah, 5, it's nice. It's just a little bit. Okay, this is 5, 5, 5, 5. Cool. It's very hard to appreciate because we have these shapes just messing the thing up. I can even be smarter on, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing this with booleans. I like just doing everything with booleans. I think another way to just deal with this. It's crazy how many meshes I'm creating, but it's okay. I can clean that off pretty easily. So one way to do this is go to attributes, generate polygroups, face normal deviation, model poly edit, and just push this here. No need to actually boolean the whole thing out, as long as you have a different snaps. Maybe we can do it every 5. Let's see. No, it's not gonna probably do it. It's okay. Let's get the snapping off and just push it into the wall like that. Also this one, I think it's gonna be much faster and easier than doing that boolean operation I was doing. Nice. So we have this one, and then we can just find it with the little magnifying glass and put it there. Nice. That was easier. No need for boolean, for the boolean nonsense. And now I'm realizing that the proportions are totally off. I'm getting 1 staircase, almost 1, 2, and so this needs to be way bigger. Let's go snapping 10, and this needs to be, let's see, 1, 2, 2.5 of this. So 1, 2.5. Oh yeah, now we have space for the interiors. So I need to move this right in half, which is kind of hard to think about this. So I would like this. Let's just actually make it half on scale. So it's gonna be 0.5. That will give me half of this shape, and I will put it there. That will give me exactly, well, that's an eyeballing basically how big this building should be. It feels better. Now we can get rid of those things, and here I think I can just push it like this. Okay, get the snapping off, and then let's push it right there, and this will give me the other piece, because nice, now it's looking more like it. I'm not getting the right height. Oh, I think I am. Yeah, it's just that the stairs, maybe I think that they need to go into the wall just to get that thing right there, I guess. Not really sure what to do with this, but that's cool. So let's get some floor for this. Okay. Yeah, things are probably not going to. Let me get the height from this one, just paste it there so we know we have the same height. I'm gonna base myself on this piece, not on the yellow walls, which are twisted, so obviously it's gonna, yeah, we got some issues there, but no problem. Okay, nice. So I'm gonna get this, and this, and I'm going to go and push it. Okay, we have like a little space, something like that. And I'm gonna get this snapping off and push it like this. I think, yeah, I don't need to get confused with these two colors, so I'm gonna give it a yellow color because I want to see the real thickness of this separation. Something like that. And I do want to match it up here. I guess something like that. Okay, so here. Okay, this is a boolean, and is this the same? No, it's not the same boolean. So let's see. What's the best way to do this? Okay, first of all, I kind of want to just push this around with a poly edit and just push it like this. You know, maybe I can get something like that. Let me check. Let me get myself a little box, rotation 0. So I know how big is this thing. Let's put this on the edge. Will give me a better idea of how big is this thing. Yeah. Just touch it right there. Book, book. Now I can push this wall. Nice. And then okay, maybe okay, I should have kept those little boxes there. It's whatever. Yeah, let's I should have, okay, yeah. Let me see. Takes a little bit more time to go back. It's kind of funny, like every time I go Control C, it calculates PCG. Like what? Why is that? It's kind of nice to do this on the other side as well, so we can actually know that we have the same thing on both sides. So book. Let's move it a little bit more. There you go. Just touch the little edge, something like that. Nice. Now we are doing good with this. Now I can go here and go like group. Super nice. Cool. Nice, 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 nice. And here also, let's get this box going. So now I can know how big is this thing. Ooh, what's going on there? I don't want to select
Why
these.
not work on rig or have rig snapping enabled? That makes your measurements and scale much easier and faster to do.
Yeah, snapping, it's a big deal. Like seriously, like it's it's very very annoying. Like it's kind of hard to get it right, since snapping works when you base everything on a grid, on everything on something else's location. When you do custom pieces, you are basically moving the pivot points around, so it's super tough to get the snapping right. Yeah, snapping, it's a to snap things correctly, you need to snap things based on something else's position and pivot point. And when you're changing your pivot point all the time, you don't have a reference to snap to, basically. It is a tough topic for sure. It is definitely a tough topic. So now that this is not a kit bash, let's say I don't have like a kit bash. I'm making like my own pieces, so it's very very tough to actually get the snapping working. But yeah, if I was like just using a kit bash asset pack, definitely snapping is the way to go. Yeah, there is this very very good Spanish artist who's making like a kit bash asset pack, and definitely it takes a lot of effort to get the thing to snap. A lot of planning. For example, with these pieces that were created on a 10 grid, they really snap together super nicely, super easily. But when you are dealing with angles and creating like different stuff, new pieces, changing pivot points, oh yeah, things get very tricky. Okay, just gonna hide those for now. Nice. Not really sure about the 10-degree angle. I like the 5-degree angle way more than the 10-degree angle. Yeah, this is too much, almost like a pyramid. I don't like this. So now that we have this, let's get the other side. And that was probably the most difficult thing. Now it's just about, yeah, now it's time to just copy and paste. Okay. Should we do it the same? Yeah, let's just keep it like this. I don't really want to modify the staircase by any means. So we keep things, try to respect the proportion of the stairs, which is probably the only thing that will give scale to this. Okay, something like that. And then I would like to push these things somewhere here. Yeah, the idea with these pieces is to bring them to Maya and then make them very nicely snappable. But definitely it's a back and forward game. Like a lot of iteration, like a lot. Yeah, I actually need to check more that Spanish artist. He's doing. He works for 2K in Spain, and he definitely knows what's going on. He's doing some very cool stuff. Let's see. Okay, this thing goes up. So I'm wondering, like, can I just push it up? Okay. Nice. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I will need to modify these pieces again. I'm just gonna try to get them to the same height. Okay, nice. We're getting something interesting. Still, this angle I don't like too much. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna get rid of this. Real like this angle more, but it's too much. The difference is too much. This is, gives me enough. More. It's closer to the reference. I think the reference is even a smaller angle, maybe 2.5 or 3, not 5. So okay, this thing goes a little bit different. Let's actually put it like this. And I get this other angle here. Oh, I see. Okay. Things are getting a little... Yeah, when you deal with angles, things get way trickier. Way, like... Now I don't have enough space. I would like a perfect square to fit in here. Okay, again, I don't know how long this needs to be, so let's check 1, 2... Let's say 1, 2, and 2.5. So let's see if I'm getting that right. These ones are going to snap perfectly because this is a Kirbash, let's say, asset. Okay, perfect. 10 more. 10 more. Nice. And this is... I want this to be 0.5. Nice.
The player will have to walk through the bottom as well.
Through the bottom. I'm trying to make the interiors, if that's what you mean. Make the interiors, that would be nice. Okay.
Okay.
So here I would like to get this little thing closer to the edge. Yeah, I'm this might not be the right way to do this thing. There's probably like a lot of different ways to do this, but I'm just trying to figure out a way that it's like fluid enough for me to move at a nice pace and don't get stuck too much and keep it fun as well. That's probably the most important. That's probably the most important, especially for this like iteration kind of thing. Okay, I kind of like this. So it's time to modify this thing a little bit. We're gonna make a copy. We're gonna change the instance. We're gonna go to edit, and push these little things right there without snapping. Yep, right there. Nice. Okay, and now that we have this one, I want to do this thing here. Somewhere around there. Yeah, I will love the modeling tools to have this feature. Like, this will be a crazy plugin for Unreal. Like, imagine just getting this thing right here, right? You have two boxes. Like, look how cool is this? You have two boxes, right? So I come to one box, and then I go to model, polyedit, select face, extrude, and then it snaps to the other one. It kind of like finds the wall and kind of snaps to it. For some reason this is not snapping nicely, but sometimes it finds that normal and just gets stuck in there. It's super nice. It probably gonna work better this way if I go extrude. You see, it stops by the normal of the floor. It's like I cannot go farther. I would love to have that snapping option with like normal snapping. You see, like that would be super sweet. Then I can just push things and it stops there. Perfect, beautiful. And have that with all the edges, I mean the vertices. So if I'm working with an angle, it will just get snapped to the angle. That will be crazy good. And we already have it here. It's just, we need somebody to like configure that, but the tools already exist. We just need to make that thing, and whoa, like we will be able to just do this thing much faster and nicer. Normal snapping, normal vertex snapping, that's what we need. That will be a super good plugin for Unreal. That way you can just push things and they will just touch each other. Nice. Okay, bloop. Okay, for this thing, I need to go to attributes, just generate the little face normal deviation, so it allows me to grab these things and push them. I always like to go back and see if I'm not modifying the original pieces, just in case. That really sucks when you modify an instance and all the other ones are modified and you're like, damn. It sucks when you realize later that you messed up. Okay, why is this going through there? Huh. Oh, okay, we have an issue here. Oh, oops. What? Okay. There you go. Yeah, that normal face snapping, that'll be super sweet. I don't know why they don't have it. I mean, it works with the extrude tool, but I mean, like, that would be super nice. Imagine these vertices just snapping here, like, wow. I think Maya and Blender have this kind of thing going on. Because definitely this is just guesswork and guesswork. Okay, so here, okay, I have this piece. Let me see if I can just push it and paste it there. Sweet. And then let me see if I can just grab this and push it here. Took. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So this one, now we have a little thing going on here, which I would like this to touch right there. That will change. Oh, it works. Nice. For some reason it got together. Because I moved this one inside, this one goes. Okay, okay, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Then this one goes here and goes there. Nice. And here somewhere like here. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm trying to keep the same level for the floor. Okay, nice. Yeah, this angle, don't really like it. Can I? No, I cannot change it because it's cut to that angle. Nice. Okay. Something like this, and let's see, pivot point is on the middle thing. Are these original pieces? Let me check. 80 is this 55 6B BA and 01. Yes, these are individual pieces. So let's change the pivot to the bottom. Also, another thing that I know it's totally possible, but I don't know how to do it, is just to select one piece and see how many other pieces are using this instance. Like, I know there's a way to do that. It will show everything, all the other pieces in red, and I'm like, okay, I'm using an instance that I should not be modifying. Should we try to? No, it modifies the angle. Is this on the floor? Let's see. Damn it, what's going on? Okay, I see. It has a maybe. Okay, we have a little issue here. Okay, these are not. Gonna fit so nicely. Yeah, I think that yeah, sometimes, well, yeah, these pieces are too specific. Yeah, making those ones with an angle snappable, wow, that's gonna be a challenge for sure. Okay, so we got something going on. Okay, let's see. Not, yeah, this is definitely not the shape we are looking for. Don't want to make a pyramid. There's a cheat code. Nice, you can go inside the building now. That's funny. Look at this, like, whoop, alright. Zoop. That's funny. You can go through the corners. Okay. Actually, let's check how big it feels inside. I don't know. It's too tiny. Very tiny. With the second floor, obviously it's gonna be nicer, but still, I think it's too small. We can like maybe push this a little bit more. It's gonna be a little tough to. Also, this 10-degree angle makes the whole thing smaller. That's why usually buildings are boxes to optimize the interior space. I mean, in real life, most architecture is just a box. I mean, obviously, like, you know, there's like fancy buildings that really play with that and make something cool and different, but most buildings are just boxes. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, but this is not gonna work. Let's leave it there. Okay, let's push this here. Okay, now the magic boxes.
Is it possible to make that shape just with one block, instead of stitching walls together?
Well, first you're gonna make the shape, and then we can combine it, merge it, or boolean it, so we can get the same thing with only one. When it comes to modularity, we definitely want to keep it separate, so we can get more variations out of it. But yeah, absolutely, we can just merge everything together, which is probably not what I want to do, because right now we want to keep things very loose and very simple to modify. But yeah, there are many ways you can combine this into one piece. You can use the merge actor option, you can combine it with the modeling tools, and you can make a boolean, so you can get rid of the interior faces sticking into each other to optimize a little bit the thing. But again, like the workflow we're trying to do right now, it's to basically just get like a block out kind of how things are going to look, test them out in game, and then we send this to Maya or whatever other DCC 3D program to actually get them super nice. And hopefully make them snappable so we can continue making variations of these buildings. That's the workflow we are working with. Let's see. But still, this is very kind of like also very like kind of like back and forward. Okay, nice. Now I think the best thing, yeah, we'll just, the fastest way to get this going is just to create a new instance and modify it right there. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yeah, these modeling tools inside Unreal, wow, I really like them. You can really just push things around. Oh, get everything and push it. Nice. You get to model while looking at the ocean and the palm trees and stuff, instead of like modeling inside a gray box. That's something I don't enjoy too much about 3D programs. I mean, you need to focus on the thing, right? But it's kind of nice to see how things react to lighting and everything in real time. That's very powerful. Also be able, yeah, also be able to just play and check the scale and things with the character and how it's gonna fit in your game. That's amazing. I mean, for block out, these are the tools. Let's again go Control B, Control D, B to browse, D to duplicate. Oh, sometimes it gets stuck. And then make sure you change the instance so we don't modify any of the original pieces. Okay, right here. Bloop. Again, we need to do the attributes, generate polygroups, face normal deviation, so it subdivides the faces and we are able to actually pick each part of it instead of one block. It's super cool that those options in Unreal, like how they subdivide the meshes for you to actually modify them, it's totally different from other programs. I've never seen that. Maybe ZBrush has something like that, but it's super cool. Nice. Okay, let's get this one. Okay, now I think with this we should be able to get the main structure going. Nice. Get the 4 vertices and push them. Nice. Okay, here I could just try to get this one and put it right there. And it worked. Nice. Cool. Nice. Hey, it's looking pretty cool. It's just a couple of boxes, but it looks nice. We are having some issues with this thing. Yeah. Nice. And okay, we have another issue. So now that we have separated pieces, it's gonna be super nice just to push them around. This should be a copy of the other one, but it's okay. Yeah, working with instances is super nice because, for example, I don't want to modify this wall twice, so I can just go here and push it, and then bloop, the other one will get modified. But it's tricky. It's tricky to work with instances. Sometimes it causes a lot of issues if you are not paying attention. Nice. Okay. IHL Productions. That's funny. The letters. Okay, cool. We got this going on. That's a nice start. That's the main shape. this 10 angle kind of thing could work as an individual little house as well. Kind of nice to keep it there. Also, just to have that variation. Oh yeah, I forgot about those blocks. Yeah, let me just get Control H to show everything that is hidden. Super nice shortcut. Let's push this to the side for now. Sometimes I push things underneath the landscape and I forget about it. I need to double check that I'm not leaving meshes in there. Just like a kid leaving Legos in the floor for people to step on them barefoot. It's like, damn it. Yeah, I believe this second floor feels too small. Too small. Yep, it feels too small. It's not a second floor. We need to change this. Okay, I got a little, one friend of mine is, it's celebrating his birthday today, so I'll probably stream for a little, maybe probably one more hour kind of thing, to see where can we push this. But this is fun. I like building these things. Making the interiors of this house was super difficult. I was really sweating it out, like, you know, like really trying to come up with something that thank you. Something that makes sense, and still needs a lot of work. Like, a lot of things don't make sense, but just connecting everything and like.
While you're working, I am doing so as well in my tongue sticking out.
Nice. Yeah, Ryu, you know, that what will I love the colors of this house. It's super cool. Yeah, I was thinking, you know, we should probably, it will be super nice to make like a little kind of, like a roadmap kind of thing. So we put things in order, because we really like we are supposed to have the demo for August, so we definitely need to figure out how things are going to work. And I mean, like, I'm only helping with the kind of like level design, so yeah, let's see. I'm really hoping, you know, I get January off. That'll be super fun, so I can just really push it hard with this thing. Like, if I push it like hard, like a full-time job for a whole month, I think we can get at least the blockout phase.
Yeah, would be nice.
Yeah, I'm really excited about like making the interiors of like the dungeon and stuff. Just getting all those like columns and stuff going on, and like, wow, there's so much stuff. Okay, looking at the reference, this is totally wrong. This is supposed to be like this height, and it's supposed to be wider. Hey, what's up? Hey, Adam, how are you? Actually, let me change this up a little bit. Wanna put this reference on this side and get the thing on the other side so I can see who's talking. Nice. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that staircase going inside the two walls. That's pretty nice. Where is this thing? Yeah, these buildings are super cool. Really want to make them all. Want to create all of them. You know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to get this thing here, and I'm going to copy and paste and move, and I'm going to just destroy this building because it's definitely totally off. It needs to be, let's get the little thing here, little character, because yeah, scale and proportion, those two things, like it's really important, and it's not easy task. You need to definitely figure out different ways to achieve that. Okay, I want to try to copy the reference as close as possible. Okay. Also, I can use as reference. I can use a where is it? This little mesh that it's the door frame as reference for the height. It's a little bit tall. We don't want this to be super. Yeah, oof, it is. It is very tall. We're trying to make maybe a smaller door here. Let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, it's kind of close. Okay, not bad, not bad. For 2-floor things. Okay, and then I think it's wider. Yeah, I don't want to just copy this one-to-one because this is just eyeballing again, but it kind of feels nice. Let me check. That's the good thing about being in Unreal. I can just check and check. That's another thing I was told in the last studio I worked in. They were like, dude, you gotta play it and you gotta check it. You gotta really see if it's working. One thing is to look at it, and another one is to actually just walk through and see. Yeah, kind of nice. Pretty nice door. You can even make it smaller, but not really. Won't feel nice. I think this is kind of good. Yeah. Let's push this around a little bit. Okay. I think we could make it a little taller. That's about right. I just want to copy the reference, and this is a little bit wider. Something like that. Okay, I'm gonna get the snapping off. Nice. Gotta get the snapping like that. Cool. Nice, 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 nice. And then this really makes the building way bigger. Way bigger. So I will need to actually let me think about this. Can I probably I want to make it wider, bigger, like this. Again, I'm gonna probably move those with the 10 snap, the snapping every 10 units. There you go. And because those snap very nicely. So what happens if I grab this thing and put it here? Grab this one and put it here. Doesn't change anything, which is kind of strange because it's this scale that I need to copy and put it there. Paste. Okay. Okay. Are we getting this on the floor? Is the pivot point different? Okay. Let me copy the C value so we have them on the same height. There you go. Nice. Now we are getting this very weird like thing that I don't want, so I'm gonna push this again. This is not gonna snap, so yeah, let's take it off. Nice. What is this? Why is this not aligned with the other thing? Okay, no problem. Let's just try to get it somewhere here. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, so we have this floor and the second floor. It's funny that, I mean, like, you really need to mess this up before you realize that it's wrong. Like, it's super hard to just get it right at the first try. You really need to test it many times before it's like, okay, I think I'm getting it close. You will need to have some kind of like blueprints, meaning that you need to have like the front view, the top view, the side view, and then just copy that, like box modeling, like how some people do box modeling. They use these kind of blueprints and they can really just get the shape right. But to do that you need to have blueprints, which is not the case right now. It's just eyeballing one single image into 3D. I wonder if the software Hugging Face can do this for us. I really want to try these images with the Hugging Face application to see if I can get like the basic shapes in 3D, and then that will really speed up the process. I probably won't need to just, yeah, that might be very interesting. These images kind of want to test them out. Okay, let's push this here. Okay, now the thing is that the staircase doesn't go up to the thing. Okay, maybe it can go around and then go up this way. because these staircases are definitely unproportional to the thing. Too big of a staircase. Looks more like one of those kind of gym, like high school gyms, where the people sit like. Okay, nice. This feels way nicer. I do wanna keep this as reference for the inside. Something like this. Let's push it around there. Just to get a reference of the first and second floor. Ah, this feels too low. Yeah, this definitely feels too low. And this feels too high. Maybe I can find an in-between. Doesn't really matter that it's not the same height of the staircase. So we have 4 and we have 2. So let's actually move it one little thing up. So we have 3 and 3. Something like that. Also, the thickness of the floor has to do with it, and wow, so many things. Oops. Okay, let me just bring some light because I don't see anything. Let's go, mega lights. We can really go crazy now with lights. Yes, that's crazy. Like, how come they came out with this stuff? Wow, the speaker bot is not reading the chat. That's kind of strange. Is it closed? Did I close the speaker bot? Come on, speaker bot. Now it's opened. Speaker bot. Okay, nice. It's good. All right, so we have a little light. Little light. No, but I think Kit Bash can be super nice. And it's way more difficult than it seems. It's one of those things that you are like, oh, that's easy. I can build Legos. It's no problem. And then you get to it and it's like, damn, it's not so easy. It's not easy at all. I really respect like level designers now and environment artists, and it's like, damn, it's a lot of work just to make sense of this. And then to make it look nice, and yeah, definitely. But it's also very rewarding, like you really feel nice when you get something going on. Okay, that feels kind of nice. This feels kind of nice. But it's just...
It is easy when you don't have to make the kit bash, and the parts are there for you already.
yeah, and even though you have the kit bash parts, it's kind of hard to realize how to get them to snap and to work together. For example, if you open up the Megascans kit bash buildings, it's not so easy. It's not so straightforward just to, oh, I know how to use this. No, it's not so straightforward. You really need to see an example and then you are like, oh, okay, this goes there, okay, this snaps here, okay. So it's not so straightforward, for sure. But yeah, making the pieces, it's very difficult by itself. That way you can really understand how they work. That's good. But yeah, I was checking the Megascans buildings, and it's not so easy. You really need to take your time to understand how they're snapped to, like how they go together. It's like opening like a Lego box and trying to build the thing without the instructions. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a headache. And even though sometimes following the instructions of a Lego box, like I'm talking about a complex model, it's hard. You get things wrong and you need to go back and back and back until you get it right. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I was building this Technic car, this kind of like how do you call those, like a Jeep, let's say, something like that in Technic. And it was super hard because I built like the front part and the back part, and then I needed to merge the thing, and it was not merging correctly, and I was like, damn it. It took me a long time to realize that I placed some stuff wrong. Okay, well, this kind of like feels small, but at least we can probably make the floor a little bit higher. For sure. Let's see how it feels here. Can I go through? Yeah, that's funny how it allows me to go through the corners. Feels kind of small, but let's see. Okay, this thing. Okay, let me check something out. I kind of want to make it like okay, now that we have this thing, I can know how tall this. You see, it goes to the staircase here. Well, we need to play a little bit with this, because we do want this to be higher. Do we have everything on the floor? Perfect. And I believe this could go like roop. Something like this. Something like this. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and this one. This really changes the design. I'm not so happy about this. I kind of like it. Yep, kind of like it like that. Low there. Let's try to copy a little bit more the design, the original design of this, and I think I'm going to just push this one up to this height. Yep. Okay, it's not. Yeah, the pivot point is not right down there. Is it down there? Yep, it should just go up. Hmm. This one needs to go up. Let me just copy this height. Put it there. Put it here. Put it there. Okay, it doesn't want to do it. Okay, let's go one by one. Something like this. Okay, I'm gonna push this down a little bit. Hey. Jesus Christ. Oh. Please. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's check. So, bloop. Again, we don't have no lights. Let's just get this one and this one.
Jesus is Christ, Lord, and Savior LMAO.
Yeah, that's what happens. Okay, what's going on here? Nope, we don't want that there. Bloop. Nice. Ah, I see why I have that there. Uh-huh, okay. Oops. Control C takes a long time. You know what? Like, let me disable this PCG. It's like, I don't know what's going on. Every time I go Control C, it like recalculates the graph. I'm like, what? Okay. We can probably make this building wider so it touches this staircase. That'll be nice. How it looks. And we have this little edge inside that we can actually push to this thing right there. I guess that will look nicer. Also this one, something like that. So we have a higher ceiling, but we respect the outside design of this little kind of thing. Okay, damn it. That's whatever. Okay, also, what's going on here? Nice. Kind of cool. Okay, and what is this? Is this the floor? Okay, let's get that inside so it does not look from the okay, we have it duplicated. No. Oh, okay, nice. Sweet. Okay, cool. Nice, nice, nice. Getting closer to the reference. Okay, obviously you need to get rid of these little pieces right there, make them look sweet. We're getting closer and closer. This could be one. This is kind of nice. This could be just one. Just one floor building, and this could be a 2-floor building. Then in each individual can be its own, and we can make more and more and more variations of the same thing. I really like these concept art images. They're very nice. I wanna try something like this here. Something like that. Okay. No problem. That's kind of smart. Let me, instead of adding more staircases, I can just push this little thing and then go like book 45, push it there. Nice. Bloop. Okay, that's kind of nice. So we don't have a lot of staircases. Hey Ricardo, how are you?
Do you use Maya?
Maya, yes, that's the first 3D program I learned back in 2014. I'm not an expert by any means, but I know the basics. I'm a 3D generalist, but we do have somebody.
I use it. Love.
Yeah, Ryu, he is very good in Maya. He knows a lot about Maya. I'm a 3D generalist, so I learned, a little bit of modeling, a little bit of rigging, a little bit of the whole thing, and now I'm making environments. That's what I really like.
I need an advice about padding. I think it's broken.
Padding. What do you mean by padding? Okay, I think almost there. So no, I think this needs to start right here.
I sent you another DM LOL. I got it working with Maya. The only issue I have is the edges LOL.
Oh, that's nice. That's very cool. You got working what, the snapping or what, the... If you want, I can get those pieces and cut them up. Cut those little edges off. That's pretty cool.
Kit bash parts.
Nice.
Using the angle and such.
Yeah, we won't be able to really see the angle until we cut those things up, because I don't know if that's 5 or 10 angle. Ricardo, what do you mean by padding in Maya? Is it like animation related, or what you're talking about? Because I'm not familiar with that term. Oh, my dad is calling. Привет, тато, як справи?
I'm doing UV layout shell padding of 16px for a 2K texture, and when I measure 2 UV points I get 8 px.
Було би дуже добре. Give me a second, sorry. Я маю Одесу, що треба помити.
With the pixel distance tool.
Ну, третя, я думаю, буде досить добре.
Let me see. Let me see.
Ага. І як ти думаєш, Одесу можна писати день коментувати по може, ну, я сьогодні підготував і я з Одесу. Ага. Я думаю, то було би добре. Добре, тато. Добре, тато. Добре, тато, дякую. Зараз. Було би добре. Я зараз скажу. Окей. Добре, дякую, тато. Папа. Alright, sorry guys, I was talking to my dad. Padding. Okay, let me check. I'm doing a UV layout shell padding for 16 pixels for a 2K texture, and when I measure 2 UV points, I get 8 pixels. UV, like shell padding, you mean like you're trying to make like a tileable texture? $16 pixels for a 2K texture. Points, I get 8 pixels. I'm not sure if I'm really understanding what you're trying to make. I have a Discord link. Maybe you can send an image and we can figure out, cause
Well, just us.
yeah, I actually, one of the things I most enjoy in Maya, it's UVs, UV mapping stuff. So probably I should be able to understand what's going on.
Yeah. THNKC.
I'm doing a UV layout shell padding for 16 pixels for a texture, and when I measure 2 UV points, I get 8 pixels. Yeah, I would like to know for what mesh are you trying to use this, and how does it look in the mesh, so I can understand better the problem. Okay, we have a little issue right here. This is not going to... Can make the thing a little bit smaller, but then the interiors will be a little smaller, just for this to fit in there.
Or can I send you an image here? This will take me some time.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think you can send images through YouTube chat. That's the problem, you know. Imagine the nonsense people will be sending in live streams. But yeah, definitely through Discord. Also, is this not the same height? What is this? No, it's not the same height. Oh no. Oops. It kind of looks nice if with a little offset. Toot, 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 toot. Let's see. Maybe I can make this little bit smaller so it fits there and fits the
I
stairs.
have to eat right now, we'll put it on Discord.
Yeah, don't worry. That'll be nice. Let's see if we can find out what's going on. With that padding. Okay. Gonna try to make this a little bit smaller so it matches up this height. Is it the same height I get here or not? Let's see. Yeah, I think it's the same.
You'll be here all day?
No, I'm probably streaming for a couple, like maybe 1 more hour or something like that, because I need to, I have a birthday today. Not my birthday, but I'm going to a little hangout with some friends. So probably gonna stream for, yeah, maybe half an hour more, something like that. But yeah, just leave it on the Discord, and if I cannot see it, maybe somebody else can see it, because I have other people who might be able to help. So it's nice to put it there. That way more people can check it out. And maybe Ryu knows about this. I think
KTHNKZ, bro.
Definitely have a great meal, and it's thank you. enjoy your meal. Let's see. Nice. Okay, we got this the same height. We got stairs going around. That's super cool. Hey,
I
nice.
just got back. Had a bathroom break, LOL.
Yeah, Ricardo is going to post the thing on Discord
If you put it on Discord, I will check and respond.
to see what the issue is. Okay, let's see if I can actually copy this. Nice, that's the same height of the building. Cool. Okay, we got this little room here. And the lower one. Super nice stuff. Yay. That's super nice. It looks super simple, and it took it took so much effort. Oh, that's funny. Oh. But now we can start really playing with this, because we have like 1 floor variation here, which is very small. I definitely want to push it more to the outside. Yep. But we have like one.
That 10% grade is what makes it harder.
10% grade. So we have this thing. This one is very nice because we have 2 floors. We can have a little kind of thing going to that side, and here we can go around. I changed it a little bit with this thing, but this will allow for very nice like wooden structures or something like diagonal underneath that thing. It's gonna.
If you do a pull, you can see the one I made.
Yeah, I'm kind of like I don't want to do it live because then I might show the thing. Yeah, I really don't want to open Perforce live because I changed my like OBS setup and I'm streaming capturing the display, so I might be able to
sense.
to show it off.
Check it out later. All good.
Yeah, I'm trying to be careful not to open up the show the server ID. Let's see. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna check it up. I mean, check that out for sure. Let's see. Super cool stuff. Then they have like this kind of like thing in the entrance, which could be maybe something like this with a nicer angle. I think this one. Some stuff like this, and this needs to go underneath the first floor kind of thing. I don't want to squish it up like that. And I think those will go inside and just touch like this. Some stuff like this. Okay. I know it's not time for details or anything, but it's kind of nice to get an idea of how things could look like. I would really like to have a structure on this side as well. Maybe they put some stuff in here. Maybe it does not need to be so long, maybe like this. Okay. be nice to make a door here. Do I have this other piece right there? Let's see, is this okay. Okay, let me check. Don't really like the naming on that mesh. I hope I didn't modify any original pieces. I think everything's good. Okay, let me see. I don't want to move that one. Yeah, it's probably the other ones I need to move. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, so again, booleans, they don't modify the original shape, so it will be kind of nice to see how a door will look like here. Again, I want to base it on this one. Nope. World space. Yep. I want to base it on this one. So I would like to get the same height. It's okay, we can make it a little bit wider. Nice, and let's check it out. Looks kind of nice. Let's see where the floor is. Okay, great. We have this little kind of space here. That's good. Okay. Let's push this through. 1, 2. Boolean. Let's see. It's very cool. Okay. Okay, nice. Looking pretty cool. We can add some plants in top of here. That'll be super nice. Little things like that. We got windows going on there. Yeah, this is super nice reference. I really like these buildings. Here I would like to add, where's this other mesh? I think this is the one I'm looking for. Or is it that one? Let's see. I think it is this one. Is it this one? I think that works. It'll be super nice to have this. Oh, I see. Oh, this building is very cool. It has some kind of thing that goes around here. But not for this piece, but for this one. I see. Okay, there. This one goes out a little bit, and it goes like. can even cover this thing a little. Oops. Oh yeah, I probably need to get these walls properly made before I add those details, but I kind of want to get an idea of how things are going to look. Yeah, something like this. Cool. So we go up. We have this little terrace. This will look so nice with like vegetation and little jars and stuff. Okay, let's see. It goes like this. Nice. Something like that. Then this other one. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Oh, this is, I think it's, oh no. Okay, no, I think I messed this up. Nice. And nope, I don't want that like this. Just gonna leave it here. And for these little things we have like a different one. I really like the round edges on this building. Definitely want to get some of that. Probably that's going to be some work. It will require definitely some work in Maya. Because these buildings are not supposed to be straight, like pointy. They need to have that round thing. That looks super good. Yep, just push it on this. Another thing we need is probably the handrails for the staircase. Nice. Okay, cool. And I see. Maybe we need...
Good point.
Yeah. I think I'm just gonna... Yeah, probably need to make my own thing right there. Modify it a little bit to get those nice kind of trapezoid shapes. Modeling, pluk, pluk, pluk. Again, I need to do the attributes. Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay, for this we will need something like that. Yep. And probably we need to make this. What's the size? 0.2, 0.1. Why are they not the same thing? Oh no, they are. Okay.
You know you can do vertex snapping with the press.
Yeah, I was told that a
So
couple.
you can snap to verts on the mesh.
I was told that the other day. I always forget about vertex snapping. That's super awesome. It really works for some stuff, but not always. But definitely something I need to do more. Then you can do the end key as well, and if you have good collisions, it should definitely. For example, here I wanna vertex snap. It's not gonna snap properly. Okay. The corners. Okay, I wanna do something with the corners here. Let's see. Okay, good, worked.
It doesn't snap because the mesh isn't on the grid.
So how the heck we get it on the grid?
If patch set up properly, we can vertex SNP and it will be good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's something that we need to like definitely get super right. That would be nice to like have everything on the grid and just really get this down. That would be super sweet just to snap. It will really. Oh, it's working. There you go.
Look at your scale.
Yeah.
It has numbers past the first decimal point. Those are non-grid-based numbers. The grid is 10, so powers is 10.
Yeah. I mean, I get what you're saying. I definitely get what you're saying. But again, it's like, you know, we don't, in this phase, we don't really want to stick to power of 10, because then things will look very kind of blocky, like kind of Minecraft-like.
0.67 is off by 0.07 for the grid.
Yeah, I totally understand what you're saying. but it's you know, it's
Yeah, 100% I agree.
it's kind of, I'm trying not to restrict myself right now, because if I do that, it's gonna take triple the time. I'm gonna lose motivation, and it's gonna look terrible. Not terrible, but like very blocky, and that's probably not what we want. We want to like see if we can actually come up with some interesting shapes, and then we can really figure out what's the math behind the shape we want. Yeah, that's something I really try to achieve, like making things as fluid as possible. Because if the workflow becomes like very stiff, it's gonna be difficult to get the creative side going. Where's the other box? I have another box somewhere. I thought I had another box. But yeah, probably need to get the yellow walls going. Is it here? Cool. Okay, this is pretty nice. What's the thing? Hey, how are you? Let's see, is it this height? Yeah. Let's get it here. And let me just get this little last one. Something like this. Okay, I kind of want some wooden pieces here to really show that off, to hold that thing. Maybe not like this, but I have some wooden pieces that I used. Okay, for this other house, let's see, maybe this one, pieces like this. Let's look it up. I think it will look pretty interesting if I place them somewhere here. I think that would be nice. Yeah, definitely need to get a little sticking part off there, but kind of nice. Maybe
You have an eye for this for sure. Love.
yeah, I'm really focusing on the artistic part of things. Like I totally understand what you're saying of like making things snap like better and stuff, but I really wanna get the look right, like something that like looks interesting. It's like probably my priority, and then we can really get down into the math, snapping things. It's kind of interesting where it got that little detail. Definitely this thing probably needs some kind of structure to hold it, and here probably we need some kind of thing like vertical thing. Yeah, it's like I'm really trying to get into the experimentation.
Yeah, make it look sexy. We can clean it up later.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because if things get too rigid, like then you get kind of like stuck and you are not able to really experiment and like there needs to be some kind of like there needs to be some kind of flow. What happens if I just use 2 of them? It looks kind of cool. Yeah, sometimes less is more. Let's just take 2 of them. Maybe here as well. What happens if I just use 2? No, I think maybe 3 here, which doesn't make sense because it's a smaller structure, but it doesn't matter. It's about how things look. We have a little thing here. Yeah, these walls, oh no, I need to work this up, but it's, oh, you see the light glitch? The gizmo just went totally glowy. Okay, nice, nice. I believe this is too high. Let me play a little bit. If we get the structure here, no, I guess here. I'm thinking maybe what happens if I push one of those somewhere here. Not sure about this, but let's see. Because it will be nice for the player to actually go down here and maybe have some stuff. Also here we can probably have, or maybe what happens if I go here and go 45 and then go like this. Not sure about this. I think probably we need something vertical. Where is it? I'm not sure about this. Just trying options. It's too invasive. I think that might be able to hold it. Yeah, looks. Oh, where's my door? What? Okay, whew. I was like, what happened there? Yeah, looks pretty cool. This is probably too high. I'm not sure. Let's play test it. Okay, it's 2 p.m. I think I might end the stream soon because still. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, these green lights. Oh, wow. What is that? Nice. Green reflections on gold. Nice. Does it come from the palm trees? We don't have any palm trees out right now. Well, I don't know, but it looks pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Oh, let me pass. Yeah, Yeah, the ceiling is maybe too low. I feel like, yeah, it's gonna be hard to get the camera like working in here. Oh, can I cheat my way out? There you go. Okay. Yep, definitely need to get those walls aligned. This feels too short. Maybe I would like it to be more like that until the end of that shape. It's kind of cool. This height kind of nice. Well, what other details we have? We have some other stuff going on. Those details really don't. I mean, we have a little thing going here, here. Those details are kind of nice. And then here we have some stuff going like this. It looks like a garage or some kind of thing with made with columns. That could help the staircase, but it really changes because I added this staircase here, but I can make it maybe, not sure about that. We can have another variation with that thing there. Let me do something, because this blue thing really kind of like distracts me a little bit. I'm not able to appreciate what's going on here. I want to see it in yellow. Oh, what's going on here? Nice. Okay, now I can see the shape better. I kind of like, feels a little bit, oh, it feels weird because it's not following the angle of the structure. Now I understand why it's like, looks like a castle, and that's not what I want. I want it to look more like some kind of desert building. Yeah. It will be kind of fun if we make the bandit village a little bit more desert-like, a little bit more dry. That'll be kind of cool. I know it's a very small island, but it doesn't really matter. We can still have like more biomes. Yeah, it feels much better in yellow. But definitely the shape needs to follow this angle of the wall. That will make it look super nice. And do we have an entrance to this thing? I need to make a little entrance somewhere. Maybe it can also be in the front, maybe on the side. Yeah, those are going to be super cool. Even this little one can be a little bigger. Can be some other kind of structure. Oh yeah, these big ones are going to be they're going to be such a challenge to make all the interiors. I need to figure out. Well, I got some stuff going on. Here was the first building. Pretty interesting. Then we got the second building. That's nice. Definitely want to change the windows. Yeah, there's a lot to change here. Also, I need to make an entrance to the other bedroom, which is here. It needs to have some kind of exit, not through the kitchen, but through this wall. Yeah, it needs to have some kind of door here. This is going to be probably a bathroom. Because I don't really know where to place a bathroom. I think it's a good place. And okay, then the camera collisions. This is going to be a little like interesting to get, like in very tiny spaces like this. We need to think about how the camera is going to react. Oh, I need to get rid of this little edge right there. Yep, master bedroom, little kind of balcony thing. Kind of like this area. Super nice. These windows need to go up. Definitely they need to go way up. Yeah. Just want to cut this out because I was trying to do this last time, but I was a little tired. Should I cut it here? Should I cut it on the edge? No, not really sure. Well, let's just probably cut it there. Okay, let's cut it somewhere here. Ah, that doesn't look that bad. Definitely needs to go through. That's kind of cool. Maybe we can show it from the inside. No, we should not show it. Let's see if I can get that angle a little bit nicer. Yep. Okay, that's kind of close enough. Can I push this to the side? Oh, what's going on here? Oh, I messed it up. No. I should not move that. Just cut it. That's close enough. Whatever. Cool. Now we don't see that super ugly line from here. Cool. It doesn't look that bad. Probably not. Probably that's not how architecture works, but okay. Paste here. Then go pluk, 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 pluk. I love booleans, it's so nice. Nice. Good enough. Yes, now we don't have that stuff. Oh, ho ho, hey. Hey, you're not supposed to go through here. Double check, I'm not messing anything else. Okay, cool. Nice. That's it. Yeah, I just wanted to cut that out. Yeah, I think I haven't seen this before. Definitely. That's not the way. But it's okay. Great. Let's play one more time. Those little coins in the UI, definitely gonna send you a nice image, so we can change that PNG. Okay. Yeah, we don't have that little thing right there anymore. That looks kind of cool. I'm not sure about that little piece sticking out. I would like to have a nice kind of ramp. But anyways, those details are not important right now. I need to focus on blocking out the main shapes, because this is definitely these stairs just going out like that. It's kind of nice to add some details so you kind of figure out how things are connecting to each other, but not too much. The idea is to really keep it rough. And these walls, I think I'm gonna fix this the next time on the next stream. Hey, Joss.
Hello.
How is it going? Well, since you came into the stream, I think I'm gonna just finish this before going super quickly. That way I don't need to do this when the next stream. Yeah, it's kind of nice to just... Okay, just push that there.
Good.
That's nice. Yeah, today I was building this kind of like desert structures, so I really wanted to get some of these details going, just to get a better idea of how things are going to look like. Also, I would like to add that angle to the upper parts of it. That would be very nice. Okay. Whenever you modify a piece like this, make sure that you have your own instance, because if not, everything else will get modified and you will be like, what? But I know these ones are unique. Okay, and I'm going to do the same here. This one is unique because this is a boolean. But I would like to have I need to research this. I know there's a way, so I can select the mesh and know if I would love to see like how many instances of the same mesh I have. I know there's a way to check that out. Okay, just checking. That's nice, 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 nice. Okay, that was kind of quick. Another thing I would like to do is, okay, this I need to just change. Need to browse and duplicate the thing, so I can now go to attributes, generate. I'm making the level design for a game. This is going to be a gladiator game. It's like a Souls-like, where you go and get gear and defeat enemies. Maybe a more simplified version. Okay, before I do this, I kind of need to hide this thing, and then I would like to look, and then get that same angle as good as possible. Sweet. And then Control H to bring it back, and here I would like to get this thing and put it here. Nice, so we get that angle, which is not... I understand what's going on. Okay, so here I need to again get this one and push it here. Hopefully I will get the same thing on the other one. And now we get that. Oops, I need to flip this on X. Nope, flip this on Y and push it in, so we get those edges. Nice, that's better. Let's go hold V to vertex snap, and it should probably help me get it a little closer. It's okay, that's better. Now we're getting this angle, not this straight thing. Now we have this angle, which is super nice. And I guess I need to do the same thing here and go like bloop, and then go like transform Y. Not, this is X, and push it with V, tuk tuk tuk, and then this one push, something like that. It's not perfect, but it gives me that little angle. Nice, much better than this straight line, which is super boring and not so nice. This one I'm gonna keep like that. Yeah, I think I'm... should I do it here as well? Let me see. I'm thinking, what happens if I just push this in there? No, it's definitely scaled, so it's not gonna really respect the shape. This is going to be a little bit more difficult to get this line up here. This might... I might need to do one mesh for this. I need to think about it. But yeah, I think it's time to make one last run through. Yes. Let's see how it goes. I see, I got it wrong. I need to make this... Oops, what's going on? I need to make this shape wider. It's much wider. Yeah, it needs to be much wider. That's gonna make it look nicer, because now it looks like a tower, like some kind of like castle tower, and that's not what we want. We want to make it thicker. It's not until you get like those little details on the top that you realize like, oh, it's not wide enough. Okay, that's why I like to add little details to see like, oh, okay, this doesn't fit right. This one can go a little bit longer here. I think it's gonna be nicer. I like the height of this. Okay, and definitely make it wider. That's gonna be nicer for the interior. Oh, I got stuck. We got some collision collision issue right there. Okay, let's see. Oops. I wanna fly around a little bit and see if it crashes. Let's see. Like, we are not supposed to be flying around the game, but it's okay. It's so funny how this guy flies around. Oh, it didn't die. Wow, the fall off damage is very forgiving. Let's see. Let's bring the vegetation back up. Yay, palm trees. Oh, it did not bring up the palm trees I had here. For some reason, it sometimes don't like to bring them up. Let's try once again. Okay, well, doesn't want to bring those ones. Maybe because it's a very small kind of patch of grass. Does not kind of like sometimes gets them, sometimes it doesn't. It's in that range of like maybe yes, maybe not, because maybe the little area is too small and the separation of foliage might not always appear inside that little area. Okay, nice. Yeah, I really like these buildings. I can't wait to like make them a little bit more round, but that's going to be in Maya. Now it's just layout time. But this marketplace is so nice. I mean the market is so nice. I really like this area here. No, don't go into the water. Yeah, I can't wait to add all these houses in here to make them super nice with interiors and set dressing and lighting and like all the stuff will really be very immersive. Also, I can't wait to have more foliage and little crabs walking in the sand and corals and stuff like that. That's super nice. All in this Ryu style. The guy who is like this project is made by one friend of mine called Ray Thamus. He also has a YouTube and Twitch, so I'm helping him with the level design. But all this style, all these things you see were modeled by him, and we really wanna see if we can push this this thing. Oh. Alright, well, we got something going on. Couple of buildings. Definitely coming back to this. Most likely tomorrow or later today. Maybe I can do a late night stream. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna stay too long in my friend's house, because I mean, it's not going to be a very late. It's more like an afternoon kind of hangout. Oh, So I might be able to come back and stream a little bit more at night. That'll be nice to get some of these going. Yay! Nice. All right. I think this will be nice for a thumbnail for the next video. I think could be cool. Maybe with a little palm tree right next to this. Yeah, you know what? Let's just take it right now, so I don't need to open the project and wait for it. That's a good idea. Let's actually just find a palm tree. Oh, this is okay. Is this a? This is a Cinti low poly palm tree. It really doesn't. It looks kind of interesting, these two styles of art just right next to each other. I wish I had more stuff in here. You know what? Let's do it. Let's actually just for the little thing. Good thing is this is my level, so it doesn't really matter if I do some painting here, because this is going to be exported into the main level of the game, so I can do some stuff. Let's go paint a grass. First of all, generate it. No, I need some grass here. Okay, we got stuck. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, you cannot really paint too much when you have the PCG on. It's gonna get recalculated every time you paint, so not good idea. Yeah, let's go back to landscape paint. Let's make this a little bit nicer. Hey, come on, come on. Don't get laggy. Also, when the brush is a little bit too big, it gets... Okay, come on, let me move, okay. Okay, that's kind of nice. Then I should be able to go back and recalculate. Should probably have some stuff popping out in there. Okay, let's see, is it going? Yes. Oh, no palm trees here. Does it need to be generated, or is it the height? This is kind of like height based, so I think it's too high up for trees to populate there. Whatever. It's even better just to add them like that. I can delete them faster if I need to later. Just to make kind of like a nicer. This one really does not go in there. Something like this, maybe. Or should I go like? I think nicer, yeah, like more focused on the thing. Yep, up. Oh, you saw that thing, that light glitch, that's crazy. Real-time glitches, oh yeah. That's nice. Okay, let's just take a screenshot right here. Bloop, bloop, so I can have it for the next one. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching and have a great afternoon. Nice.